So what I want to do now is actually remove these plinths. So if you look from underneath, you can just see it's just like that. Pull it nice and tightly. And then I've got those parallel. Let's actually do that on the lines on the cutting mat there. And then you can use both hands to create the bevel. Press along the edges like that, and then you can bring those strips back in. Just grab my rule. So I'm just going to lay a bit of kitchen towel on those like that, and then weigh them down with some books. And then the bottom of it will just touch that central pencil mark. And then we're going to make it. So once you've allowed enough time for the glue to dry, remove your clamps, and then we're going to take the two shortest pieces. Okay, so whilst all of the mouldings are drying into place, I'm going to attach the unit top. And we can do that at this stage, obviously, because our doors don't go up to the top. We've got our drawers there. But if you do have doors to attach, then obviously, I don't even know why I'm saying that. Okay, so I've secured the mouldings to masking tape. And that's just because, okay, so I've secured the masking to moulding tape. And then I've just made it slightly wider than the 5mm. And I've just pressed them together, and the 4 of them make a depth of 2mm. Oh. So you've got nice flush edges at each side like that. Start again. So press the piece firmly into place, and then just press and hold for a moment until the glue begins to take. Just pop the draw knobs into place. Like that. And then begin applying it. Oh. Hello and a very warm welcome to episode 53. Is it 53? Hang on. Okay, so now stand it again onto that first side, and we'll put a piece of masking tape straight over the other side. Like that, pull nice and tightly. Okay, so the top part is now stuck to my bottom part.